A very good afternoon, dear audience. Today I have to talk about a very important motivational talk. The name of that person is Jack Ma. He is a very popular and profound person of the world. Now let's go to start to talk about, and the purpose of this talk is only to motivate to all those English learners who have left their hopes to learn English. Now to start your preparation from here after listening this person. How this person became many of the times failed, but he stand again and again and tried. And at the last he got success. Now he is the richest person of the world. Who is Jack Ma? Why he is inspiring person of the present youth? Now let's discuss about that. He is a person, he was born in China. He was fond of to learn English, but due to born in a poor family, he was unable to suffer and deferred fees of English learning. As English is not compulsory in China, but he was a profound to learn, but due to some of the problems, he left this intention, but he chose another way by whom he can learn English. He opted the way of tourist. When the tourists come from in other countries, they be participated with each other and he talks with them to improve their English. Slowly, he learned English and he became expert in English language. But here is not going to be end the history of his. He was rejected 36 times from being appointed to a job, but he didn't give hope. Why? Because he knew that if I am getting failed today, one day the day will come when I will get success. So he kept his struggle continued. After getting failed, he stand up and continued. After getting failed, he stand up and continued. Till now, many of the businessmen is announcing his name at the time of to open any online business platform. He is a founder of Alibaba online marketplace. When there was not any chance to open this kind of online marketplace, when there was no any internet facility and there was no any facility to access the order of customers to provide facilities, but he was getting failed and failed. Many of the times he got this, but he stand again and again and kept it continue. Now he established Alibaba online marketplace, by whom many of the failed person became inspired with this work, because he was also like all of us. As we are nowadays getting failed, but we left our hopes to go ahead, but he didn't left their hope. Now I'm going to talk about 3 important tips and rules that were given by Jack Ma. He gave 3 rules to all those who have left their hopes to stand again and again after getting failed many of the times. First rule he gave, never worry. It means when you are going to establish, when you are going to organize, when you are going to start any business, when you are going to start learn anything, you don't have to be worried. In the initial, it is not necessary that you will get success at once, but you will have to struggle many of the times. Many of the problems will be suffered by you. You have to suffer. Don't blame to others that are not getting success. Don't mention your problem to others, but you all have to create the solution of your problem. So don't worry, because at the time of creating anything else, problems will appear automatically and challenges will be also there with you to suffer. By suffering all those, you will get success. It's sure. So don't be worried. Now next one is, don't complain, not ever. Suppose you are organizing a platform where you want to start a new business, but you are getting failure there and you are complaining to others, oh dear, I'm getting failed here. What I have to do? Have I to leave our target to go another way from where I can start to my new job, new business? Don't complain, because no one will come to support you to start your business, but you all have to start and face the challenges by whom you can make your business ahead after suffering after the problems, after suffering the solution of whatever is possible according to your need, according to your choice. You all have to create the solution of the problem and don't complain to others. If you complain to others, because every single person is involved in solving the problems, then how they will get time to solve your problem? So when the problem is being suffered by you, then you all have to suffer the solution of this problem. So don't blame to others, not even. This is the second. Now third one, but not least, it's very important person, where the many of the people start their business, but getting many of the difficulties, many of the problems, many of the facilities were not given to all those. They give up their hopes to go ahead. But he says, failure must be faced, not detached or ignored. It means when you are getting failed anywhere, you have to suffer, because how many times you are getting failed, you are learning something new. A person who has got success at once, he had not learned many of the things. In comparison to those who has failed many of the times, he, she or whatever, learned many more than the other person who has got success at the first time. So how many times you are getting failed, you are learning new steps. And when you will get success, there will be very strong point with you, because you learn many of the things. And there is a very strong point with you, because you spend your time in suffering of the problems, in suffering of the solutions, and there are many of the problems. You will not believe that Jack Ma was applying for job. He applied 10 times in Harvard University to take admission, but he was rejected. But at last he got admission, and at the end he became a professor in university in English language lecturer. But he applied 20 times for a company to be appointed as a person employee, but he was rejected. You know what was the reason behind this? If he was selected there, then it was not possible that he would be a founder of Alibaba online marketplace. So there was a reason. If you are getting failure anywhere, then it's mean you have to go up and up to reach and touch the sky. It's mean you don't have created to touch the earth only, but you have created to touch the sky. You have to create it to achieve your whatever goal you have created. Don't break up your goals. You have created a goal to touch sky. Then don't believe to stay on the floor only. When you have broken your target to stay on the floor and you are thinking that's enough for me, then it's not enough. Whatever you have thought, you have to grab that chance. When you're not getting, then you have to grab, snatch, it's mine. I have to have, I will not leave it. These 3 F's are very important to all those. I am dedicating all these steps to all those English learners, those who want their hopes to learn English. And this is also motivation for all those who want to start their business, who want to start their life, but they are getting failed. They also don't have their hopes. Because one day the day will come, you will get success. Many of the persons are available. Next time I will try to give a new motivational speaker about related to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, how he got his success and how many problems were suffered by him. Then now I'm going to end here from, but you all have to note down all 3 steps. Those were necessary and important to grow your up high and high. Bring up yourself to the success point. If you want to be a success entrepreneur, then you have to suffer all these 3 steps. Without it's nothing. Many of the people left, but they are nothing available. Their existence is not available. In the recent time, they have left, but we struggled and faced many of the problems. They are available after going from this world. Their name, their fame, their works are available, and people are renouncing their name. So remember all these 3 steps. Never worry. Don't complain. Not even. And third one is failure must be faced, not it is not ignored. So now I'm going to end here my talk. If you're first here, then like and subscribe my YouTube channel and comment in the box what type talking, what type motivational speaking, what type topic should be delivered here relating to English speaking or relating to motivation. You have to mention here the name. I will try to come with next time with that topic what is preferred by you. Then I'm going to end here my talk. That's all. Thank you. Take care of yourself.